can see me. And let me get this set up. Let me know when you can see me, if you can see me. Having a nice little pump here. Thought I would get on and go live for this. And we'll look at the targets I had set. Remember this trend line and the 21 EMA right around this 5760 area. We may get some resistance. If we blow through this and get support on top of it, we should be moving up to my next target, 64.35. Fed rates cut to 0. Renee, I seen that. What's up? Camel Teabag, Raul, Sidlino, David, Puck, IN Mail MC, is that how you say it? Coronavirus. Oh, damn it. I can't say that word. Updates. Crypto Chaos. What's up? Sylvan. Savvy, you see this action, bro? I do, Treese. Sup, Savvy and good folk. What's up, Tim J, John Wayne, Matt Mercer, Novsky. Loving Chico being wrong after putting everyone who had TA on blast. That is the best silver lining of the crash. Dude's an idiot, man. Dude's an absolute idiot. He doesn't understand shit. He doesn't even do his own research. Anyone that believes this crap is nuts. So what's up, Bubba? Lady Plants, good to see you here. Kurt Locus, Bubba, David. You do need to change your account name, man. That's screwing me up. Now they're going to demonetize the video. They did it last time, too. Bastards. Oh, well. Anyways, I wanted to kind of see what was going on with this pump live. And as you can see on the RSI, on the 4-hour, we did break out of our falling channel there. It does look like we're going to come up to, we might even make it up to the 67 range, somewhere in there, and retest this trend line that we broke out of right here, also lining up with the 55 EMA. We could make it all the way to the $79,000 to $8,000 range. One big nice pump. Still, I wouldn't get super bullish even if we get up there. Obviously, if you're going to trade this move, I'm not in a trade right now. I wish I was, but I'm not. I'm not going to get into it now. But this should pump pretty good, guys. What's up, Mars from Greece? Interest rates down to 0. This is kind of nuts the past week or so. Yes, it is, Mr. Pong. Yeah, printing money can't go good forever. I don't know. I would be surprised if the Dow got back above here tomorrow. Obviously, they may be able to pump it, but that 55 EMA is crossing at 200 on the Dow, and it's not looking pretty. I mean, I don't know. I just don't see it going over this. I could be wrong. It could pump up there tomorrow, but we'll see. I just think we may have this pump tonight in Bitcoin and get it up a ways, and then tomorrow when the Dow gets rejected here, I think we will most likely fall. That's my opinion. How's Ethereum doing? Same. How is Litecoin? Litecoin broke out of its triangle. The next test, this trend line for Litecoin will be about 39. The measured move out of this triangle is between 46 and 48. Looking good. We did hit my target I put up this morning for my group, 57.30. We almost hit that. That was my measured move from this morning. And all that is, let me get this off of here and I'll show you. All that measured move is the length of this falling channel in white put up to where it broke out, and there you have it. Let's see what happens. Can we break above that? If we break above that and get support, we should be in pretty good shape. Let's look at the RSI. RSI still has plenty of room. Looks like we may come all the way up and retest this blue here. Yeah, looks good. anyone that belongs to the members group, I did post this morning with these in here. I don't know if I can find it where I put that on there. Let's go to Discord. See if I can find it in here. It's buffering. Yeah, something's going on with my internet today. It took me forever to upload my video. It's just been crazy. Let's see where I put that this morning. Put it in here somewhere. Yeah, right here is where I posted that this morning. As you can see, I had the 5730 there. We were down at 5326. And I did put that target. That is where we hit. Let's see if we can continue up from here. I'm going to go into the 4-hour. And we are getting rejection at the 21 EMA. That's why I like the EMAs better than the simple moving averages. Trouble for your connection. Seems okay. Lagging. Man, I don't know. They don't want the truth to be told. Sorry, guys. I have no idea why it's lagging. I really don't. I don't know. Let me try turning off the music. Maybe that'll help. But other than that, I don't know why it would be lagging so bad. It is connected straight. Yeah, I'm connected straight with the wires. So hold on, let me check. Let me do this. I'm gonna go away for a second. I want to check this out and let me see what's going on here. See if I can figure it out. Yeah, everything's seems to be all right on this side, guys. Let me Yep, everything looks all right on my side, guys. So I am not sure, but I'll come back in here now and hopefully dropped frames 90% over the last 2 minutes, 2 minutes ago. Is it any better now, guys? Is it any better now? Can you see me any better? It is dedicated. Mr. Pong said I seem okay there. All right. Well, let's see if we can break above this 21 EMA here at 5730. It's better now. Paul said Bitcoin is dead. That sounds bullish. Exit and come back in. Everything is fine. It's all good now. Audio is okay. Video is laggy. Can hear you, but your Waz Museum figure. Huh. I have no idea, guys, what is going on there. Bitcoin is continuing to pump, though. I do know that. Let's... Yeah, I have no idea what's going on with my connection, guys. I think my internet is sucking today, period, because like I said, it took me forever to upload the video this morning. Usually takes about 15-20 minutes. It took about an hour. What's up, Jabba? Looks like we're rejecting. Yeah, we're gonna get some resistance at that 21, but I don't know. Everything looks like we should continue up from here. We'll see what happens. If it's gonna reject, it'll reject now at the close. So it is trying to push, guys. There's a lot of buying going on right here. Still lagging. Yeah, shit, guys. I have no idea, man, what is going on. Let me try turning off something else here. No idea what the hell is going on. Yeah, I don't know. Turn the music off. Does that help at all? Let me check my settings in here real quick. We are pumping. We did hit the trend line here. But hold on a second. It might be my catch. Warning, you lose the stream and encoder settings if you are logged in. Yeah, I'm not trying to lose the chat, guys, but maybe I didn't know that I could clear my cache or cache or whatever the hell it's called on my actual OBS. So I apologize if it's lagging. But yeah, we're looking good, guys. Looks like we most likely head up to Slobo's Realty. Just joined. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks, man. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. I do daily updates every single morning. And yeah, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Get that video out there. 911 said to the moon right now. So yeah, we broke the trend line also. Next stop is the 6435. Then we are looking at the 6780, then 7180. If we are able to break that, we could get all the way up to that $8,000 range. It is possible. Let me look at the RSI. The RSI really doesn't look like it has enough room. It may get up to the 71. But I'd be looking for some rejection here at the 55 EMA. Also, the 200 EMA is going to be around that $8,000 range. Chris Camp said, what the guck is going on? I'm torn. What was the crazy Ponzi scheme company name? Which one? The OneCoin or something like that? Thanks, Mr. Pong, for hitting the thumbs up. And everyone else, take 1 second out. Hit that like button. Help the channel get out there. What's up, Sixella class? Bitcoin has been skating on the other side of ice lately. Yeah, like I said, we'll probably get some resistance on this white trend line in the RSI. If that breaks, guys, that's going to be pretty damn bullish. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Or do we get rejection here? That would... I doubt it. I really doubt it right now. Let's go into the 1 hour. 1 hour is blowing through. Let me go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. Whoops. Get this out of here. This out of here. And actually, I can go ahead and get all that out of there also. We are having a nice move, guys. Most definitely. Strong, too. We are in the 1 hour, though. We're probably going to get some rejection up here around the 6,000. Possibly. Possibly not. Let me scroll down here. Yeah, everything's looking strong. The RSI is getting topped out on the 1 hour, but still looking all right. We have plenty of room on the 4 hour, so we may hang out around here for a little bit, maybe create a bull flag, come on up to that 6435, maybe linger around there for a little while, and then attempt to break back inside this trend line here. Fed pump figured China pump would be nice. Where is the white trend line? It's right along with the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. So if we went straight up on this 4 hour candle, it'd be around 67.75 is where this meets up. But remember, we got the 200 EMA up here, and that 7,000 right around the, let's put this over a little bit, right around the 79.60 all the way to the $8,200 range is the golden pocket area. And that would also line up with this bottom trend line here. For those of you guys that watch the channel every day, you understand these three trend lines and how I've got them from cloning them down here. We've been watching them before any of this happened, before we even came up through them. So interesting times, guys. Fed Reserve pumping Bitcoin. Markets will probably follow tomorrow. Bitcoin will win in the end with all this inflationary money printing and interest rate slashing. Savvy, do you think Bitcoin is going to ping pong between 64 and current price? No, I think that it will probably. I think it'll probably get above the 64.35. We may stick around in this area for, you know, most of the night. We're probably going to end up having a big move overnight tonight, I would imagine. We are getting some rejection here. Let's see if we can keep support on top of this 21 EMA. And that is at the, where is that at? 57.39. If we can keep support there, we should be in good shape. And it looks like we will. How's it looking at hourly? Just a nice little retrace. The hourly, the EMAs are looking bullish. For those of you that watch my channel, you know I'm big on the EMAs, and our 8 just crossed our 55. This is, again, this is the hourly, but that is pretty bullish. So we are, let's go back over to the 4-hour. Let's just see if we can keep support right here above this yellow trend line or green trend line or whatever color it is. Needs to hold the pump for the weekly close. Let's look at the weekly real quick. Yeah, so the weekly close, I know people talking about the MA, but as long as it closes above this 200 EMA, which is at the 53.40 range, we're in good shape, in my opinion. It'd be real nice to see it get all the way back up here inside this trend line here, which would get us back up to around that $8,000 range. It's a definite possibility, guys. Let's go back over here. Stick around with the 4-hour. All right, I'm gonna hang out in the chat for a little bit. For what I have, 300 megabyte S Fibra. If it's lagging like hell afterwards. Double bottom, definite after pump 36. Crypto chaos. Possibly, but I think what the Dow does tomorrow is going to have a big effect on what Bitcoin does. And I understand they lowered the rates and they're going to pump money in, but man, I just really can't see the Dow making a real comeback. There's so many scammers that post on my videos, on everybody's videos, but I try to delete them all just because there's a lot of new people and people get scammed. A lot of guys just leave it on there. They really don't give a shit. They just want the comment, but I do take them off to try to save people from getting screwed. Jason Rhodes, I appreciate your TA. I'm new to the community. Thank you. Well, thank you and welcome to the community. We have a pretty solid community here, man. Futures open right now. And let's see if we continue our support up here. Keep stirring the oatmeal so it won't stick. I'm stirring. This wants it to crash. Rumors they're shutting markets down tomorrow. Yeah, in my area, they have, as of 9 p.m. tonight, all restaurants and bars are to close and not reopen until further notice. Too many people are waiting for a double bottom, therefore it will not happen. Might not happen. We might have a lower low, man. We could have a lower low. We are dropping below the 21 EMA right now. See, this is where traders get wrecked going on high leverage on moves like this. That's why you don't go on high leverage. And for one thing, and another thing is like, you know, the guys that badmouth leverage trading, they talk about getting liquidated and blah, blah, blah. That just tells you they don't have a freaking clue of how anything works. For one thing, you should be trading with a stop loss. For another thing, don't do super high leverage. If you do and you're scalping and you're good at it, that's one thing. But just to jump in and not know what you're doing and try to high leverage and scalp will probably screw you up. Chico put you on blast, then it crashed. He's the reason the market crashed. Oh, God. Use some positivity about your work. What do you think of Europe lockdown? I'm not going to talk too much about that. Too many people get pissy and whatnot about what I believe about it. But I believe it's all a bunch of hype fucking bullshit. But that's all I'm going to say about it. Yep, here supermarkets still open during weeks, but less hours. Otherwise, everything is closed. Schools, universities till early April at least. I long to the half at the Green Wick 25X. Nice. If any of you guys are interested in leverage trading or margin trading, I do have some links down below. I have a Bybit link and a Prime XBT link. If you use my Prime XBT link, you get, and you use the promo code, there's a spot for a promo code. It only takes a minute to start the account. Use my promo code Savy50. You'll get a 50% bonus on every deposit you make for the rest of the month. And CryptoSavy25 promo code, and they're all listed down below. You'll get 25% off your fees for a month. Actually, the 25 off your fees I think lasts till the end of April. So. Savvy, what do you think the bottom will be? I'm thinking we'll go to 3K. It's possible. I have some lower lows. If you guys watched my videos, I actually have a 2,500 possible. If it went down and did a double bottom to 38.50 broke, I'm looking at 25.58. And if that wasn't to hold, then it can get real ugly. And I'll show you my low worst case scenario would be around the 1,700, 15 to 1,700. It depends. I got a few different measured moves for it. Not sure. I think I put the other one in my 4-hour. Yeah, here it is. That's the absolute worst. Actually, it's up a little bit. Yeah, so around the $1,600 to $1,700 range is the worst case scenario in my opinion. I'm not saying it's going to go there, but I'm saying if it did come down and broke all these trend lines down here and broke the low here and broke the old low at 31.20, then yeah, it will most likely be seeing between 16 and 2,500. Savvy, there's no market anymore. Peeps and stocks are losing $100 a day. Yeah, it's crazy. And the money they are keeping is just deflated anyway. So, oh, Max, you gotta go, man. See you later, buddy. Moron. Thanks, Thomas. I appreciate that. They announced it today, 17:30. The coffee shops were going to be closed for 3 weeks at 1,800. Wow, massive lines to get some weed for the weeks. Chico is an absolute idiot. Doesn't understand charts or anything else, man. See ya. Here come the trolls. The trolls keep coming out. I'm just going to roll out. I don't feel like dealing with them. I'm surprised no one created the Corona token yet. There probably is one. They just ain't got it out there all the way yet. Here's Chico's TA. And he said we were going to stop at 6,000 too, but here's his TA. You can see we went up here, we stopped here, and then we came down. We got support over here, then we went up here, then we got support here, and I think it might go here. That's his. He's an absolute moron. He doesn't believe in technicals, and technicals will tell you if you know how to use them correctly, they will help you. Savvy, what is a reasonable price for LTC in late June? I don't like to judge time, but look at that. We hit that 39.06 target on the dot with LITECOIN. Let's see if we can break above that, which I'm sure we will. The next stop will be 41.40. And then we'd be looking for, as you can see, that hit that bottom of that trend line too. So if we can get back above this trend line here, we should be in good shape with Litecoin, at least to the $46, $47 range. And what's Ethereum doing? Same thing. It's getting rejected at 236. Almost got to our 137 target. I'm pretty sure it'll get up above that. The 21 EMA is right around 136. Should get above that, gain support, and at least come up and test this 157 area. And if we are able to break above that, these are my next two targets after that. So it's looking pretty good right now, must say. Buffering like mad. Yeah, sorry, man. Wow, Savy, you're a great impersonator. Laugh my ass. I didn't expect to crack a laugh. I'll tell you that right now. That's his favorite thing to say, and he sounds like an absolute idiot. And any of you Chico fans in here, since he likes to rip on people, so I like to cut on him too, because that's all he does is like internet bully people when he's got so many flaws. Like if you watch his videos, really pay attention. His eyebrows never stop. They go to the top of his forehead, back down to slap him in the eyes the whole time he's talking. It's crazy, man. He's a clown. He has never been correct about anything. Small pumps, even when he went. Yeah, he just shills shitcoins. If you go into his Telegram or Discord or whatever he's got, all they do is try to get you to buy the shitcoins that he's making money off of when people buy them, because he can dump them, because the shitcoins give him tons of shitcoins to pump the shitcoins. He says he tells what he gets paid. He don't tell everything. Trust me. I get the same emails. He's a wolf in sheep's clothing. He tries to act like the good guy, and he's just out there to screw you guys and fatten his pockets. USA market futures is going down. Yeah, I think it's going to be ugly. I still don't think that the Dow is going to be able to get over around the 23.4. 23.454 is what I have here, but I don't think it's going to be able to do it. And if it does, I don't think it'll stay there long. Chico can't take a piece of criticism. Booted. Feel bad for him. All right, Mike. Welcome, man. Yeah, I don't have to keep talking about him, but he likes to sit and rip on, everybody else. So I got to rip on him once in a while. Everybody else is scared to for some reason. I am not. I challenged him to a boxing match, and he's too much of a pussy to do anything. And he calls everybody else pussies. He's the biggest pussy. He's a blabbing mouth. Rant over. Bet match, right. Yeah, sorry guys about the lag. Biker Travels. Hi, Savy. I watch your channel. It helps. Right on, man. But yeah, I think we should definitely continue up today. Worst case, maybe come back down and test this 54.26 area before we continue it up. But I think we're all right here, guys, for another rise up. So we got plenty of room in the RSI. Like I said, the 1 hour RSI was looking to get topped out. As you can see it here, it was getting pretty high. It's going to reset, most likely continue back up. It could come all the way back down to retest this trend line in the 1 hour RSI before continuing up. But let the RSI reset and cool off, and I think we got more to go. Dirksy, back at you, brother. Leon, don't worry about it. Nothing special. 10 years from now, we can tell our kids we lived and held through this, right? Fed rate cut will pump stocks and crypto big time. Technical analysis does not apply here. We'll see PBR, because I don't think that the market's going to be able to cross back above this trend line. I just don't see it happening, man. Unless I have the trend line wrong and it is this here and it was a rising wedge and it comes back up to test that wedge before crashing, but it's going to crash, guys. The stock market is done. What's up, Michael Watson? What's up, Anthony? Welcome, brother. Sandman, glad you made it. The disease that can't be named is a false flag operation, as 911 was. No need to panic. I try to tell people that on Twitter today, and that's another thing. If you guys have Twitter, you don't follow me on Twitter, I'm going to start being a little more active on there. So check out my Twitter. There is a link down below. Scroll through the links. Oh, God. Look at all his little butt sniffers coming in here, man. Crazy. Crazy. And how the gains are private, but the debts will be public as usual. Yep. Go back over here. Let's see if, yeah, like I said, we may come back down and test this. The RSI still looks good, in my opinion. And the 1 hour RSI is looking like it's resetting. How are these EMAs looking? The EMA did shoot back down. It is not crossed yet, but Sebastian, Savvy, thanks for your channel. Made some Litecoin with your advice. It's not advice, man. I just tell you what I'm seeing. Your decisions are your own decisions. My favorite metal band ever, probably Pantera. We the Snoopy that shot that clown down. Pretty bad they have to troll, right? Yeah, they just, I don't know. Trolls, man, trolls. They have nothing better to do. No false flag. It was intentional release, now blown out of control or proportion. Yeah, it's too much talking about it, man. I choose not to talk about it on this channel. Hey, sup, Savvy? Let's pump Bitcoin. What's up, TC? Let's see if this 55 EMA holds here. That would also line up with the trend line on the RSI here. See what happens. We stopped on it. Uh-oh, we're going to blow through it. If this candle closed down here, it would be bad. I don't think it will. But if it did, these I consider railroad tracks, and that's usually a reversal. But as you can see, we're getting a nice bounce as of right now off of the 55 EMA. I'll zoom in so we can watch it. But this is where traders usually get wrecked. With this volatility, and they do high leverage, and they don't know what they're doing. Michelle, man, your material is amazing. I just made a quick 50 with your previous video. Right on, man. Yo, CryptoSavy, just joined. What's going on? What's up, Amit? How you doing? I keep getting lagged out. Anyone else? Yeah, something's going on with my internet connection today. I was letting them know. That's what took my video so long to get out today. It took forever to upload. I have no idea what's going on with it. I'm going to try to clear all my cache or whatever the hell that's called. Sean Denny just subscribed to the channel. Welcome. If you're new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. Check it out. Also, another way you guys can help support the channel, I wanted to show you guys, like the shirt I'm wearing here. As you can see, it's not the cheap, crappy, the cheap shit, iron-on shit or whatever. It's actually quality stuff. It is my wife's webpage here. She actually makes it here, sells it, and plenty of crypto stuff. Most of this in here is Bitcoin and Litecoin stuff, but she can put any coin you want. If you're a fan of another coin and want it on there, family pictures, whatever you want on any of this stuff. There's also long sleeve shirts and hoodies and keychains and socks and some other stuff that isn't listed on here. Just hit her up in the contact if you're interested, and thanks for your support. Let's see what happens here. We're actually bouncing off of the 0.236 Fibonacci right now. at that 54.36. Let's see if that holds. It's also lining up with the 8 EMA. And usually a lot of times on like the 1 hour candle, if it comes down hard like that in the beginning of the candle, the first half hour, not all the time, but a lot of times, depending on where it's at in the chart, but the last half hour usually go right back up. Yeah, sorry if it's here. I'm probably going to get off the stream then if it's that bad. It sucks, man. Yeah, guys, make sure you smash the likes, please. That helps. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps keep this channel going. China Revolution stock market bull run for years, and all of a sudden the world goes into fear factor because the government says it's bad. Okay, then. Federal Reserve cut rates. This has a negative effect on stocks and will indirectly send Bitcoin down. Yeah, I've been saying the Dow. I don't see the Dow going past 23.3 tomorrow, and I think it's just gonna, if it doesn't just crash, it's gonna linger around here for a while, but it's going down. I don't see it crossing the 23.4 again. If it does, I'll take that back. I'll be totally wrong, and that might change everything, but I just don't see it. We broke down from here, came up and tested it. It's not looking good for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Take your fear-mongering propaganda and shove it. A guy named Joy. Hey, Savvy, what do you think Bitcoin is going to be doing for the next few days and weeks? It'll probably, well, I think we're probably going to have a nice little run up, but I think it's going to correct with the market. So if the market just kind of lingers tomorrow, Bitcoin may continue going up. If the market crashes, Bitcoin will probably come down with it. But yeah, I mean, it's like I always say, guys, it's all in the charts. We knew the market was going to crash, and they always say, by looking at the charts, show me the charts, I can tell you the news. Knowing the market was going to crash, you knew there was going to have to be some kind of bad news, and that happened to be what they're using right now. So, the greatest fear in cheap toilet paper history. What are your EMAs? I use the 8, 13, 21, 55, and 200. Those are the EMAs I use. And those are based off Fibonacci numbers. Can we count the dip as an unnatural blip and ignore it if we get out again? No, I wouldn't count that as a blip. It went a little bit further than I expected, but I had been calling that since, what, January or something? Traders, nothing to look at. Think we'll go back to today's lows. No, but I think we're going to see in about 7 minutes. We'll see if this starts going back up, which I have a feeling it's gonna, in a nice way. And if it does start happening, I'm gonna get off this stream because it's lagging and it bugs me that it bugs you. So, yeah, I don't want to stay on here with a bunch of lag crap. Bearish divergence. Where is your bearish divergence? Not seeing it at all. I see no bearish divergence here. Not in the 1 hour. In the 4 hour, I guess you could say, no, not even there. Nope. We're good. Like I said, if this 54.26 holds, we're good. If that breaks, then, maybe we'll come down to these lower lows. Let me get back into the hourly. What'd Litecoin do? Litecoin is still, oh no, Litecoin's back down, but it's still on top of its triangle that it broke out of here. It did hit our target though of 39.06. What's Ethereum doing? Ooh, Ethereum is not looking too healthy. It got back down below the 8 EMA here. Let's see if that 54.26 holds. Bears are strong. They have powered computers. We trade with our cell phones. Stream's okay now. Restart stream. No, I'm not going to go through all that, restart it and all that crap. I'm just probably going to get out. And are we going to come back all the way down to here and retest? Yeah, if this 1 hour closes like this, that's not good. Your voice is not lagging, therefore no problem. Leon said, it's all around me. Please be careful. It's over. D-Money, Savvy, it's Wild West here. Need a few weeks to let it play out. Andrea, 3K incoming. Low volume to alter the price action either direction. I have to reset the video a lot. Well, that sucks. If we ignore the blip, the inverted head and shoulders is back on. You can't ignore the blip. It wasn't a blip. Nothing's a blip. Unless it's only on one exchange, then you can consider it a blip. Savvy, have you ever looked at Grayscale BTC? I don't look at the charts on it, no. But here's what I was saying. If this is going to move up, it's going to have to do it for the close of this candle. And that's going to have to be a pretty quick push up here. With it should start in the next 5 to 10 minutes if it's going to do it. Puck, I'm not going to restart the stream. If it's that bad, guys, I'm just going to cut it right now. Because I really don't feel like starting the stream over. But I will put a video up in the morning, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already. Take the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. Smash the likes. Check out my links down below. My wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. And, yeah, there's some exchange links down there, too, for you to check out. And it does look like it's going to pump back up here, maybe. Any nurse or doctor will tell you this is only bad due to the spread rate, not actual criticisms. Azteca said the stream's working fine now. Savvy, live streaming in a few hours. Nah, I'm probably done for the night. I'm going to hang out with my wife, man, and watch a movie or something. I spend a lot of time doing this crap. Stream audio is good, video lag, but still, thanks for airing. Right on, man. But yeah, it looks like we might get that push up here. Like I said, the second half of the 1 hour candle. See if it happens. Crypto tomorrow down, gold up. All right, Troy. Where's your charts and stuff? Coming down to close the CME gap. Even at 244p. Sorry, man. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing has changed on my end. The only thing it can be is my actual internet, I believe, because, like I said, it wasn't uploading fast today either. I could check my internet speed, maybe. Internet speed test. So my download is only at like 570 or something. 548 for download and only horrible upload. That's why it was so slow. Maybe I need to restart my Wi-Fi or something. That is absolutely horrible. That is probably my problem, guys. So I will have to restart that. We had hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Let's see. Right here? No. All these are lower lows. Oh, that's the 1 hour. I'm sorry. 4 hour. Go in here. And until this candle closes, you can't even count this candle. But this was... I guess we did a little bit right here. I guess I see what you're saying, but I still think we can possibly continue up from here. Dan Del Balso, subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the community. Savvy, get the TP link, AV1000. I'm not sure which one I got. I got a pretty decent one. But I don't know if it could be my actual internet coming in. I have no idea. Link and chain got slaughtered. Or chain link got slaughtered. D Wolf said the stream's alright. Cheers, Jabba. Alright, guys. I'm going to get off here because... it's still... If the power line Wi-Fi is the power line Wi-Fi, it will help the lagging. What do you mean the power line Wi-Fi? I have it hardwired right now. I normally use Wi-Fi, but when I do live stream, I hardwire it. So, you talk to your wife about Bitcoin? She hates when I talk about Bitcoin. I don't think I'm the only one with the problem, though. I don't think we can close above the 200 weighted moving average. I'm not worried about that. Here's where here's where I want to see us close on the weekly. We have to close above this 200 EMA, and that is right now sitting on it. It's at about the 53.30 area is where I want to see us get above or close above on the weekly. We have another hour and a half before we even close, so we'll see. I'm telling you, get the TP link. Yeah, usually I don't have a problem. That's what's getting me. Usually I don't have an issue like that when I'm hardwired. Like I said, it just uploaded really bad today, so I think I just need to reset my router and crap. Toilet coin is selling like hotcakes. I don't know if anybody's seen, if you guys follow me on Twitter. I put it in the Discord too. I put it signed toilet paper square for people to bid on. Highest Bitcoin bidder wins it. If we back to channel, does too short. Do you know Pro Angler Pete Mena? No. I'm going to zoom in really close to this. John just subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the channel, man. So there's that 200 EMA. That is what I watch, not the simple moving average, not the weighted moving average, none of that stuff. This is what I watch right here. Fed just lowered the interest rate. Yeah, we talked about that, Leon. It's like nothing now. CME breaker triggered. There's no rally there nor here. Hidden bearish divergence in a 4-hour. Toilet coin is selling like cakes. If we back to the all right, guys. Well, let's look for a close above the 53.30 for the weekly. If that does not happen, we may be in bad shape. Jindu, is that how you say your name? Sorry if I mispronounced it, but thank you very much for the tip. It's much appreciated. And back to the 4-hour, 1 hour. Just reboot your modem. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do when I'm done here. But like I said, I'm going to probably head out for now, guys. So, yeah. I don't know why his thing's still sticking up there. Everything's all screwed up. What is going on? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I have to do some house cleaning or something on my computer because this is getting pretty damn annoying. All right. Is it going to shoot up again, please?